Innoson hails Ortom for purchasing 600 vehicles from its factory. Innoson Vehicles Manufacturing Limited has hailed the Benueh State Governor, Samuel Ortom, for purchasing 600 vehicles from its factory. Cornel Ozigwa, the corporate communications manager of Innoson, said the governor had purchased the vehicles, which was unveiled last week Thursday, for the state's security outfit known as Community Volunteer Guards. Governor during the unveiling had also pledged that his administration would legally procure AK-47, AK-49, and other sophisticated weapons for the group. He said that 500 personnel drawn from the 23 local government areas of the state were recruited in the first batch. Ortom said that his administration decided to constitute the security outfit due to the failure of federal government to disarm the terrorists. Ortom said, Benueh State has been especially targeted because of the historic episode of 1804, but also because my administration's insistence on the rule of law rather than rule of terror, and for always standing with my people in their refusal to surrender their land, identity, and Judeo-Christian faith and values to the Islamization agenda. Given the fact that the federal government has consistently failed to disarm the Fulani terrorists who have continued to maim and kill our people at will, the state government is going to apply for a license to legally procure AK-47, AK-49, and other sophisticated weapons for the Benueh State Volunteers Guards to enable them tackle these murderous terrorists effectively. To do this effectively, the Benueh State government had approved a 2-week capacity building program for 500 personnel of the Community Volunteer Guards to learn some basic paramilitary aspects. The training, which began on the 29th of June 2022 with 500 participants drawn from the 23 local government areas and the 3 senatorial districts, ended on the 12th of July 2022. A date for the Batch 2 would also be announced as soon as possible. Ozigwa said that among the security apparatus that followed the unveiling is the display of newly acquired Innoson vehicles, specifically the Innoson MSII. Innoson Vehicles appreciates the constant patronage of His Excellency Samuel Ortom, who under his administration has purchased over 600 varieties of Innoson vehicles. Innoson Vehicles will continue to give support services to various car servicing centers that partner with it to service the brand of the Innoson vehicle. No matter the challenges, Innoson Vehicles will continue to wax stronger till it becomes one of the leading vehicle manufacturing brands in the world automobile market. Apart from the 600 vehicles purchased by Governor Ortom of Benueh State, ex-governor of Anambra State, Mr. Willie Obiano had made important patronage to Innoson as well. On March 13, 2022, ex-governor Obiano gifted Innoson Ignod Jeeps to all traditional rulers in Anambra. Ex-governor Obiano of Anambra State gifted all the state traditional rulers with Innoson Ignod SUV vehicles. The ex-governor, who was also present at the event which took place at Dr. Alex Ekwem Square, Walker handed the state-made vehicles of different kingdom. The witness of the event includes the members of the State House of Assembly led by its Speaker of the State Assembly, Right Honourable Uche Okafor, Professor Chukwuma Soludo, members of the State Executive Council, civil servants, among others. Innoson vehicles are made in Niue, Anambra State, by Chief Innocent Chukwuma's Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company. Governor Ifeanyi Agwani of Enugu State at the Government House handed over 65 Innoson patrol vans to the State Command of the Nigeria Police Force to aid its security operations. The 65 patrol vans were among the 100 units of Innoson vehicles recently purchased by Governor Agwani's administration to assist the security agencies in the state to effectively discharge their duties to enhance the peace, security, and development. Governor Agwani, who had earlier unveiled the vehicles to journalists at the Government House in Enugu, explained that the 100 units of the patrol vans will be handed over to Nigerian Army, Nigeria Police, and Nigerian Security and Civil Defense Corps, among others. The governor added that another 260 vehicles as well as motorcycles and bicycles were also purchased for distribution to the forest guards and vigilante neighborhood watch groups for community policing. Speaking after receiving the keys to the 65 vehicles from Governor Agwani, the State Commissioner of Police, Ahmed Abdulrahman, who received the vehicles on behalf of the Inspector General of Police, Adamu Mohammed Abubakar, commended Governor Agwani for this wonderful gesture, describing the governor as an unassuming personality, a symbol of peaceful coexistence and the architecture of modern security in Enugu State. Police Commissioner added that the governor's gesture was a demonstration of his commitment and determination to secure the people of the state and sustain the state's glory of being one of the most peaceful in the country. Abdul Rahman stated that Governor Agwani has given them the tools to work round the clock and patrol tirelessly in all nooks and crannies of the state while doing our investigations and surveillance. The CP, who assured the governor of the force's resolve to utilize the vehicles for the purposes for which they were purchased, advised his officers and men against the use of the security cars to attend to their personal needs, saying, "You will see them, vehicles, on all our roads, in all the nooks and crannies of the state doing the job." He, therefore, prayed that God continues to sustain, preserve and give the governor good health, so that the people of the state and country will reap more from his leadership. Qualities and milk of human kindness. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing Company Limited, commonly shortened to IVM, is a Nigerian automobile manufacturer headquartered in Benueh, Anambra, Nigeria. It was founded by Chief Innocent Chukwuman Wala. Innoson Vehicle Manufacturing is nicknamed Pride of African Road. According to the company, 70% of its car parts are produced locally. Among IVM's vehicle models are the 5-seaters Fox, 1.5-liter engine, and UNU, 2-liter engine, as well as the minibus Uzo. On the 20th of May 2022, Innoson presented its first KK are three-wheeled motor vehicles and the main means of transport in Nigeria. They have so far been imported from the Far East and usually cost about 800,000 naira or 1,600 euros. Innoson announced a selling price of 500,000 naira or 1,000 euros. The production capacity is 60,000 kk per year. This is to be increased by a new production plant in Ori in Imo State on a plot of land of 150,000 square meters. The domestic production of the ubiquitous trikes in Nigeria is expected to have a positive impact on Nigeria's trade balance and labor market. Benueh State Governor, who bought the 600 Innoson vehicles, and ex-Governor Peter Obi of Anambra State are the highest buyers of Innoson vehicles so far. This is the end of our program today. See you on Intervlog same time tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you for watching Intervlog.